Hi folks, welcome to another video of AWS. So in this video we will be discussing about EC2. Now what is EC2 and what is the purpose of EC2? So I just want to tell you guys that EC2 means Elastic Compute Cloud. Means you can in simple words it is a virtual machine. In simple word, it is a virtual machine which is located somewhere else, and you can access sitting in your home, in your house, in anywhere you want, just by using internet. So the simple in simple words, this is the definition of EC2. So now let's move on. If you want to see all the content, if you want to read all content, you can watch this video again, or you can stop it right now. And those of you who haven't made a AWS a free tier account, just make it. Link is coming up. So now let's move on. So what is EC2 and what it's provide? So now EC2 provide are like I said that it is a virtual machine, and EC2 provides to scale up resources and scale down resources. What that means? That means if you want 4 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk and something else configuration, you can scale up according to your need. And if you want just 1 GB RAM and something else, so you can scale down also. You can use what according to your work, so what you want. So there is one point to be note. If you are making notes, just write it down that you can make 20 instances, EC2 instances in a particular region. So I will show you region in my next video, not in this video, but it is a very important point. So you have to configure your security group and your networking before making instance. So that is also uh, so it is EC2 has two storages. You can select either of them while making instance on AWS dashboard. So one is EBS and another one is instance storage, which is default. So EBS is elastic beanstalk, which means the storage is located somewhere else. It is not attached with the server, so like that. And instance storage is, it is storage that is like your computer has storage right in your motherboard, attached with your motherboard, so it is like that. Now let's just understand that AWS, uh, any cloud provider, if you talk about Azure, if you talk about AWS, if you talk about any cloud provider, they their model is, like pay as you go. Means uh, pay pay as you go means pay when you terminate your instance, when you shut down your machine, you don't have to pay anything. So it means that that you are using your machine for 1 day, so AWS will charge you for 1 day only. It will not charge you for 1 month or 1 year. So that is a pay as you go model. Now moving ahead, what are the types of instances? There are 7 types of instances. So first is general purpose instance, second is compute optimized instance, third is memory optimized instance, and fourth is storage optimized, and fifth is accelerated computing instance, and sixth is high memory instances. Now seventh one is previous generation instances. Now this slide is saying that which instance is used for what type of work, which means general purpose is used for general work, like you want to use Tally, you want to use Excel, you want to use day to day, like all the office work, which requires less memory, which requires less storage. Now moving ahead, talking about compute instances. So if you need more CPUs, if your work wants more CPU, so you have to use compute instances. Now moving ahead, memory optimized instances. These instances are used for that work which needs more memory. So these instances are used more memory, and you can see uh, after that there is a accelerated instances. The word defines itself that when you need some more performance, like you have to play like a game like GTA 5, or you want to do some work which needs a graphic work. A graphic means like you want to do graphic designing, you want to play a game where graphic needs, or you want to do any work where graphic is the first priority, so you have to use accelerated instances. After that there is a storage optimized instances. So in that you have more storage as default, and fast storage also. Like you all know that now the fast means NVMe SSD. I am talking about NVMe SSD. So SSD is more faster than the hard disk, you all know very well. So yeah, that what storage optimize has to offer. Now moving ahead, talking about high memory optimized. So high memory optimized instances are used to, it is similar like that I have explained to you that memory optimized, it is similar like that, but it uses one more thing, that is AWS Nitro system. So what is AWS Nitro system? It is a hypervisor which uses to virtualize resources, so that you can, I will explain it in other video when we move ahead. So yeah, that's about it. That's about the instances, what they do, and which instance is used for which work. Now moving ahead, so in this video I hope you all understand what is instance, what is EC2, and what instance is used for what work. So thank you for watching, and if you want to read all the stuff that I explained you right now, so you have to check link in the description. All the stuff I explained right now is in the document form, you can check it out. Also I will be teaching you uh, particular instances, like I will teach you all the types of instances in detail. So many of you are preparing for AWS certification, so it will help you very well. So you are this so today, for today, this is what I want to explain you. So next video will be, coming soon, and it is about all about EC2 types. So just subscribe to my channel and like this video if it's really help you. So right now signing off, meet you next time.